in Python list index. I'm new to Python. I see column used in list indices, especially when it's associated with function calls. Python 2.7 documentation suggests that lists.append translates to a len a column equals x. Why does one need to suffix len a with a colon? I understand that column is used to identify keys in dictionary.
Column is the delimiter of the slice syntax to slice out subparts in sequences, start column end. Watch this URL. At around 40:00 he starts explaining that. Works with tuples and strings, too.
Slicing operator. This URL, and scroll down a bit.
A len a column. This gets you the length of A to the end. It selects a range. If you reverse a column len A, it will get you the beginning to whatever is len A.
Isso muito sempre. Isso conseguir estar escrevendo.